Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the balance of your gift card on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the Me option down below, which is the last option. Go to this first section at the top and click on the gift card icon. Now all you have to do is typing in your card number and then your PIN code. If you are done with it, click on the check balance icon, and then you will be able to check the balance of your gift card and see how much money you have on it. And yes, basically that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.